back. So today's video is going to be a Q&A video. It was highly requested and I got a lot of questions to answer for you guys, so let's jump right into it. First question is, how did you learn to do makeup? I watched YouTube videos, and I started watching YouTube videos at a very young age, probably about 11 or 12. I started watching makeup videos on YouTube and I got really interested in applying makeup and different types of makeup, and I used to be extremely terrible at makeup. I'm not a professional. I never went to cosmetology school. I never got a license to do makeup or anything like that. I just started doing this on my own, and I like to do makeup. It is my biggest hobby. Yeah, I didn't really learn how to do makeup. I just watched several makeup videos, and when I mean several, that's all that I watched. And a normal young teenager that age does not watch YouTube videos like that. At least not makeup YouTube videos, but I did, and I was so interested in them, and I found a couple YouTubers that I started out watching, and I've watched them clear up until today. They're where I get my inspiration, my motivation, and how I learned to, I guess you could say learn, to apply makeup the way that I do. I actually had somebody leave a comment on my Instagram saying, oh my gosh, like I wish I could do makeup like you. And I totally have faith in all of you guys that think, oh, I can't do that, or I'm never going to be able to apply makeup like that. Yes, you can, because if you used to see the way that I did my makeup, the more you watch videos, the more you practice, it really does build your skills, and it really helps you in the end. Okay, next question. Who is your favorite YouTuber? I have two. My first favorite YouTuber is Kathleen Lights. She is my ultimate YouTuber. I am a fangirl for her. I love all of her makeup looks. I think she's so honest and original, and she doesn't follow trends or anything like that. Like everybody else. Like, she doesn't try to get viewers, she just does, because she's so awesome at what she does. She is my all-time favorite. If I had to pick a second one, and this one runs in close vicinity of that one, it would be Megan Lee, or her vlog channel is La Vida de Meg, and I will link them down below just in case you guys want to check them out. You will not regret it. Megan used to do, her name is Megan Crow, she used to do a bunch of makeup YouTube videos, and I started to watch her also way back in the day, but then she kind of got out of makeup. She still does a little bit with makeup, but she kind of is like moving out from makeup, which is awesome for her, and I'm so proud of her for doing that, because a lot of people didn't want her to do that. She does do a lot of vlogging now, so her vlog channel is La Vida de Meg. I love watching her vlogs, and I hope one day I get a good enough camera so I can vlog just like that, because I think it's so personal and touching to be able to see into somebody's life like that and see their real struggles in their everyday life, that everything isn't perfect all the time, and that's what I really like about her. Okay, I'm gabbing too much. Next question. How old are you? I am 19, soon to be 20. My birthday is April 3rd. How did you start your channel? I had actually started my YouTube channel way back. It was like May of 2014 or something, but I never pursued anything with it. I just made my YouTube channel. I kind of put a bland background on it, never posted anything, and then actually it was last Halloween, October 2017, I decided, you know what, I've been wanting to do this for a long time. It's Halloween, and I had gotten some inspiration, and I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna try it. So I did post a Halloween makeup tutorial. I posted 2 of them, but my first one that I posted got like 400 views right away, and I was so blown away by that, and I couldn't believe that people actually liked to watch that like I did, and I just kind of fell in love with it from there, and I actually filmed that off of my phone. There wasn't anything special to it. I just filmed it off my iPhone, and I put a black backdrop behind me, and that was pretty much it. Everything else was just me. After that, I did post another one, and then I posted my first makeup tutorial, and things just kind of took off from there. I didn't have a camera, so I was keeping my eye out for that, but until then I was using my iPhone, and after I was like, okay, this is getting a little bit farther, I want to kind of edit things, and I want to make things mine and personalize them, I was like, you know what, I need to start a channel. So I got on Instagram, and there's actually a girl that I follow, and she posted this camera for sale, and it was, I think it was like 200 bucks. And I was like, you know what, or no, it was like 150 bucks, and I was like, you know what, I have to start somewhere, and I didn't know anything about the camera, so I messaged one of my good friends, Annie, and she's like the tech wizard, knows everything about technology, and I had asked her opinions about it, but by the time she had answered, I had already bought the camera, and I was like, you know what, it's fine. And Annie was like, it'll be like a good start for you, try it out, see how you like it. So I did do that, and I've been using the same camera ever since. I'm hoping to get a new camera soon, but I also needed a means of editing. I went to Best Buy and bought a MacBook Pro. That wasn't necessary because I had editing software on my other computer. That's where I started to edit, and I filmed a couple videos and edited them just to kind of get the hang of things, but I never posted them right away. And then I had also thought, you know what, I need to watch some videos on how to do my backgrounds for YouTube. So I actually got on YouTube and searched how to start a YouTube channel. I did tons and tons of research. I researched. I figured out how to do my layouts for my videos, how to put edits in my videos, how to put sound effects, anything and everything you see in my videos, I learned on YouTube. That's what's so helpful to me about YouTube. You can YouTube how to YouTube, and that's so awesome. But yeah, I did it from scratch. I had help from Annie. She was kind of my go-to girl. If I had any questions, I would just send her a text and be like, hey, look, I'm having trouble with this. What should I do about this? She's super awesome about that. She's kind of where I got my business start on makeup, so I owe all that to Annie. She made my Facebook business page for me, which was awesome. She did great. She knew everything about it. I know I'm getting sidetracked, but I pretty much just got on YouTube and searched everything that I wanted to know, and I took notes, and it took tons of time. It took me probably like 3 or 4 months of research to really know what I was doing. And all of my backgrounds and all my pictures that you see, I edit them myself, so I have learned a lot, and I would be more than happy to share that with you guys if you'd ever want to see a video on that. But yeah, I learned how to YouTube on YouTube, as ironic as that sounds. Next question is, what is your favorite makeup brand? For my drugstore favorite makeup brand, it would have to be Milani. They're a little bit higher priced for the drugstore, but their stuff is so good. They're such good quality. Their shades are so pigmented, so velvety, smooth, soft. A lot of my makeup is Milani. I love Milani. High end, I would have to say probably the Too Faced brand. I love their blushes, their bronzers, all of their eyeshadows. So I would definitely have to say Too Faced and Milani would be my 2 favorite makeup brands. How old is your boyfriend is the next question. My boyfriend is 22. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I do. I have one sister. She is 6 years younger than me. She is 13, almost 14. So she's going into high school next year, which is scary for me. Next question, how do you deal with bullying? I'm not getting bullied all the time. There's just people that say some rude things and don't care for my videos. The typical, I mean, you can't expect to do something and everybody like it. So I really don't let it bother me. It doesn't bother me. I would rather somebody say something bad about me than go and say something bad about somebody who has like a low self-esteem, someone who can't really handle that. First of all, I don't know why people are mean like that anyways, but that's just something you deal with in life. It doesn't bother me if they don't like my videos or whatever. They don't have to watch them, and I don't have to listen to them not like them. I don't really deal with it. I just kind of brush it off my shoulders and let it go. And also, I do have a younger sister who is coming to the age where she's starting to learn how people are. People dislike you, people dislike things that you do, people get jealous sometimes, people act in terrible ways, and sometimes they act mean because there's something going on with them, and she's learning that, and I don't want her to see me letting this affect me because YouTube was my choice and I did choose to start this. I don't want her to think that it bothers me because I want to be the best role model for her that I can be, and just let her know that she just needs to keep her head up and keep doing what she loves, and in the end everything will work out. And what is your what is your dream job? Not your dream job. My dream job is to be paid by YouTube and to make videos and content like this and get paid for it. Yeah, my dream job is YouTube. That will probably never happen, but it's cool to think about. That would be my ultimate. If I could be anything, what would I be? That would be my dream job. Do you have any tattoos? I do not have any tattoos right now. I have some possibly in the making. Possibly. This next question, a lot of people ask me, do you plan on getting married / are you engaged? No, I am not engaged. Yes, I do wear a ring on my left hand, but that is because I am left-handed and my ring size is a 3.5. Okay, a 3.5, and this is the only finger that it fits. So no, I am not engaged, and I don't plan on getting engaged anytime soon. I've been with my boyfriend for almost 4 years, but we don't plan on getting engaged anytime soon. We're in no rush at all. And yes, we plan on getting married maybe someday, but definitely not right now. We both are way too busy, have way too much going on, but maybe one day in the future. Next question asks, what are you going to college for? Right now I am enrolled in the radiologic technology program, so I'm going to be a radiologic technologist, or a rad tech, which is pretty much taking x-rays in simpler terms. I am going to do that. It's a 2-year program, and I will be graduating May of 2019 if everything goes well. My favorite movie or show? Well, there for a while, my friend Corinne got me started on this Netflix show called Nurse Jackie. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. It has a terrible ending, but the rest of it's really good. I won't spoil it for you, but yeah, she told me to watch that, and it took me like months to get through it because of school and everything, but when I finally did get through it, I was like, oh my gosh, that was such a good series, and I was waiting for them to bring another season out. It's an older show, but it broke my heart. Okay. My favorite movie, what's my favorite movie? Probably a Disney movie. I love Disney movies, like Disney Channel original movies and Disney movies. Pretty much any of those are my favorites. I love those. I'm a little kid at heart. I love everything Disney, and yeah, so probably one of my, I don't have like a favorite Disney movie, but actually I take that back. I do have a favorite movie. Not Disney, but I do have a favorite movie, Anastasia. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. It's the best movie ever. What is your favorite season? It changes every season, but right now my favorite season is fall. I just like the fall. That's probably my all-time favorite. I just like fall because the candle scents and the pumpkins, and it's so pretty outside, and just everything a white girl could want. Favorite holiday? This also changes with the season. Probably Easter. Easter or Halloween. But I like Christmas too. I like Easter because of the springtime and the flowers, and you can start to wear your floral prints that you've been hiding away all winter. It's still snowing, but I'm wearing my floral print because I'm ready for spring. If you could be any celebrity, who would it be? I have 2. Major celebrity, I would be Demi Lovato because she's gorgeous. My other favorite would be Kathleen Lights because, like I said before, she's a goddess. What is something that not many people know about you? I'm left-handed. Would you be able to start filming vlogs soon? I'm glad to hear that you would like to see vlogs because I like to watch vlogs, so I know I want to get those out for you guys, but right now my camera situation is kind of crappy. My battery dies super quick, so when I do a makeup video, sometimes I have to wait for my battery to charge, and it's a pain in the butt. Annie, who I talked about before, is trying to get me another camera just for now, just to borrow until I do get another camera, so that might be coming soon. I won't say for sure because I don't know, but hopefully I can get that out to you guys soon because I love vlogs. Okay, girl. I love vlogs, and I want you guys to kind of see what I do on a day-to-day basis and hang out with me in a way. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that I answered your questions and you learned anything that you wanted to know about me in this video. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.